Alright, yo, it's your boy Mikeyyywill here. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It means more than you know. Drop some likes, drop some comments. We're out here about to go riding Starks. You guys can see that thing back there. With this other dude, Ultimate Volts, and we're about to shoot some stuff. Maybe fly, drones, I don't know. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Pow pow. Alright, so we're on the trail. I don't know where I'm going. I'm not even sure I'm at the right spot. I don't know. I'll wait till Alternate Volts gets back to me. I have no idea where I'm going. Probably should have worn boots, but whatever. Like go around figure 8. Oh. Oh!
Yeah, you gotta watch the sand.
This feels so different from like a gas bike in the sand. Yeah. So I'm like, oh man, this thing feels so wild.
Yeah.
Like I'm. Whew. Oh jeez. Whoa, what is that? That is like a slip and slide. What was that? Oh yeah. Woo.
Take this from him. Gangsta. Go ahead, try to line it up. See if you can try it.
No. Yeah, I don't think my truck would have made it out of that. Yeah, nah, no bueno, yo.
How did you get up?
I don't even know how you got in. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. You guys don't even know, I got a drone backpack on that weighs like 60 pounds. It's so heavy. The two man.
Hey yo, we recording?
No shit.